What if I told you that right now thousands of small business owners are saving 20 or more hours every single week, not by working harder, but by using AI automation? In this video, I'm going to explain exactly what AI automation is, how it works, and how any business, big or small, can use it starting today. AI automation means using artificial intelligence to handle repetitive tasks that humans normally do manually. Things like replying to customer messages, sending follow-up emails, organizing data, generating reports, or even booking appointments. The AI works 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, without taking breaks, making emotional mistakes, or asking for a salary increase. In simple terms, you set it up once and it works for you forever. Let me give you real examples. Example 1, customer support. Instead of hiring someone to answer the same questions all day, an AI chatbot can handle hundreds of customer queries instantly at the same time in multiple languages. Example 2, lead generation. AI tools can automatically collect leads from your website, qualify them, and send them directly to your sales team, all without manual work. Example 3, social media. AI can schedule posts, reply to comments, and even generate content for your pages automatically. These are not future technologies. They exist right now and are affordable for small businesses. In 2025, the businesses that use AI automation have a massive advantage. While their competitors are spending hours on manual tasks, AI-powered businesses are focused on growth, strategy, and serving customers better. According to research, businesses using AI automation report up to 40% increase in productivity and a significant reduction in operational costs. The question is no longer whether you should use AI automation, it's whether you can afford not to. Your competitors are already using it. Getting started with AI automation doesn't require you to be a tech expert. Step 1, identify the repetitive tasks in your business that take the most time. Step 2, find or build the right AI tool for that task. This could be a custom AI chatbot, an automated email system, or a social media scheduler. Step 3, integrate it into your existing workflow. A good digital agency can build this for you in days, not months. The investment pays for itself within weeks because of the time and money you save. Start small, automate one process, and then expand from there. AI automation is not replacing humans. It's freeing humans to do more creative, high-value work. The businesses that understand this and act on it now will be the leaders of tomorrow. Don't wait for your competitors to get ahead. Start automating today. If you need any digital services, you can contact us via WhatsApp +923 408849158 or visit www.waycastworlddigitalhub.com.